Chapter 23. Correct spellings. Words in English are not always spelled as they are pronounced. Spelling in English follows some basic rules, and the majority of English words, around 75%, follow these rules. You can learn the rules, but there are always exceptions to the rules that need to be learned too. The basic spelling rules of English relate to prefixes and suffixes, spelling and plurals, doubling letters, dropping and adding letters, verb forms, spelling and plurals. There are rules for the plurals of regular nouns and the S forms of regular verbs. The general rule is add S. Bring, brings. Day, days. Ear, ears. Smile, smiles. Speak, speaks. Town, towns. If the ending is pronounced as ch, tf or s, we add es, eyes. Noun plurals. Verb s forms. Bus, buses. Cross, crosses. Church, churches. Fetch, fetches. Kiss, kisses. Guess, guesses. If a word ends in an e, we add an s. Base, bases. Face, faces. Judge, judges. Lose, loses. If the word ends in a consonant plus y, we change y to I and add es. Baby, babies. Marry, marries. Opportunity, opportunities. Reply, replies. We add es to some words ending in o. Tomato, tomatoes. Echo, echoes. Cargo, cargoes. Embargo, embargoes. Hero, heroes. Go, goes. However, some words ending in o only require s. Videos, discos, pianos, memos, photos. For some nouns ending in f or fe, we form the plural by changing the f or fe to ves. For some nouns ending in f or fe, we form the plural by changing the f or fe to ves. Loaf, loaves. Shelf, shelves. Thief, thieves. Wife, wives. Spelling, doubling consonants. We often double the final consonant of a word. B, D, G, L, M, N, P, R, T. When a suffix beginning with a vowel is added, ed, er, est, ing. Hope plus ed will be hope. Big plus est will be biggest. Slim plus ing will be slimming. Red plus ish will be reddish. Fat plus est will be fattest. Thin plus er will be thinner. Rub plus ed will be rubbed. Hot plus est will be hottest. Travel plus er will be traveler. Sit plus ing will be sitting. Mean plus est will be meanest. Wet plus er will be wetter. When we add a suffix to a word with more than one syllable, we double the consonant only when the word ends in a stressed syllable. The stressed syllable of the base form is in bold. Admit plus ing will be admitting. Prefer plus ed will be preferred. Forget plus ing will be forgetting. Transmit plus ed will be transmitted. Occur plus ens will be occurrence. Upset plus ing will be upsetting. Compare, however, visit or enter, where the spoken stress is on the first syllable. Visit, visiting, not visiting. Enter, entered, not entered. Note that in each case the vowel before the last consonant is a short vowel. Note, We don't double the final consonant before a suffix. If the word ends in two written consonants, examples: export, exported; find, finding; insist, insisted; lift, lifted; persist, persistence. If there are two written vowels together in a word, examples: meeting, rain, weaken, trainer; repeated. Irregular forms and exceptions. Note: some monosyllabic words ending in S are irregular. We normally do not double the S, although some doubled forms can be seen. For example, buses and buses, gases and gases. Buses and gases are not common. Some words, several of them ending in L, with more than two syllables, have a double consonant even though the last syllable is not stressed. For example, labeling, traveler, equaled, handicapped, programmed, etc. In American English, the single consonant spelling is usually more common. Labeling, traveler. Spelling, dropping and adding letters. Dropping the final E. We often drop the final E when a suffix beginning with a vowel is added to a word. Approve plus AL will be approval. Hope plus ING will be hoping. Fame plus us will be famous. Invite plus Asian will be invitation. Hate plus ed will be hated. Note plus able will be notable. Note: we keep the E in dying from die and singing from sing to differentiate them from similar words. For example, dying from die and singing from sing. When a suffix begins with a consonant, example, less, full, ly, meant, we do not normally drop the E. Hopeless, forcefully, definitely, excitement, lately, widely. However, sometimes we do drop the E. Argue, argument. True, truly. Due, duly. Whole, wholly. Some words have alternative forms with or without an E. For example, acknowledgement or acknowledgement and judgment or judgment. Adding the suffix ali. The suffix ali is added to adjectives ending in ik to form adverbs. Basic, basically. Realistic, realistically. Tragic, tragically. Changing y to I. When we add a suffix to a word ending in a consonant plus y, we normally change y to I. Amplify plus will be amplifier. Happy plus ly will be happily. Busy plus ness will be business. Hurry plus s will be hurries. Day plus ly will be daily. Purify plus cation will be purification. Easy plus ly will be easily. Reply plus ed will be replied. Furry plus us will be furious. Spy plus s will be spice. Note: some words with one syllable keep the y before a suffix. For example, dryness, shyness, slyness. We keep y before ing. For example, studying, worrying. We keep y before apostrophes. For example, the fly's wings, jazz house. We usually keep the y in most words that end in a vowel plus y. Buy, buyer. Destroy, destroys. Note: exception. Day, daily. Spelling ie or ei. If in doubt about ie or ei, when the sound of the vowel is as in brief I, we spell it ie. But after the letter C, we spell it EI. IE, EI after C. Achieve, ceiling, belief, concrete, diesel, deceive, niece, receipt, relieve, perceive. Words in which Y has changed to I and in IES even after AC. Emergency, emergencies. Bureaucracy, bureaucracies. Note: in most words that do not have the pronunciation I, as in brief, The usual order is E before I. Example: neighbor, laser, height, friend, ancient, science are common exceptions. Spelling and verb forms. Past and ed forms. The past and ed forms are the same in regular verbs. The following are the spelling rules for regular verbs. We add ed to the base form of the verb. Clean, cleaned. Echo, echoed. Email, emailed. Sail, sailed. If the word ends in E, we add D to the base form of the verb. Agree, agreed. Dine, dined. Love, loved. If the word ends in the consonant plus Y, we change the Y to I before ed. Apply, applied. Cry, cried. There are 3 common exceptions where we change the Y to I after a vowel and add D. Pay, paid. Say, said. ing forms. The general rule is add ing to the base form of the verb. Go, going. Hurry, hurrying. Play, playing. If the word ends in E, we drop the E before ing. Love, loving. Lose, losing. Write, writing. But if the word ends in double E, ye or oe, we keep the E. Agree, agreeing. Die, dying. Compare, die or dying. See, seeing. If the word ends in ie, we change the I to Y and we drop the E before ing. Die, dying. Lie, lying. Tie, tying. Addition of final E to indicate long vowel. We use a final silent E to indicate that the stressed vowel is long. Long vowel, short vowel. Hate, fate. Hat, fat. Theme, impede. Them, fed. Dine, bite. Din, bit. Note: there are some common exceptions. Come, have, none, there, done, live as a verb, one, were, give, love, some, where, gone. British and American English spellings. Here are some common differences between British and American English spellings. A dictionary can give adequate information about the other spelling differences. British English, American English. Analyze, analyze. Aeroplane, airplane. Center, center. Check, bank, check. Color, color. Criticize, criticize. Defense, defense. Labor, labor. Neighbor, neighbor. Program, program. Theater, theater. Organize, organize. Some commonly misspelled words and their correct spellings. Misspelled word, correct spelling. Aberration, aberration. Accommodation or accommodation. Accommodation. Achieve, achieve. Address, address. Allot, allot or allot. Ulterior, ulterior. Atheist, atheist. Beginning, beginning. Believe, believe. Caucasian, Caucasian. Cemetery, cemetery. Commitment, commitment. But committed, committing, committee. Consensus, consensus. Conceive, conceive. Copyright, copyright. Dalmatian, Dalmatian. Decaffeinated, decaffeinated. Decathlon, decathlon. Definitely, definitely. Dependence, dependence. Desiccate, desiccate. Desirable, desirable. Fascist, fascist. February, February. 50, 50. Fluoride, fluoride. Fluorescent, fluorescent. 14, 14. 40, 40. Friend, friend. Genealogy, genealogy. Government, government. Grammar, grammar. Hamster, hamster. Harris, Harris. Hemorrhage, hemorrhage. Heroes, heroes. Height, height. Prefix. A prefix is a group of letters placed before the root of a word. For example, the word unhappy consists of the prefix un, which means not. Combined with the root stem word happy, it means not happy. A short list of prefixes. Prefix, meaning, examples: D, from, down, away, reverse, opposite. Defrost, decentralization. Des, not, opposite, reverse, away. Dishonest, disadvantage. Ex, out of, away from, lacking, former. Ex-wife, ex-president. Ill, not. Illegal, illogical. Im, not, without. Inaction, invisible. Miss, bad, wrong. Misbehavior, misinterpret. Non, not. Nonsense, non-profit. Pre, before. Preheat, precaution. Pro, for, forward, before. Pro-democracy, proactive. Re, again, back. Reapply, reassure. Un, against, not, opposite. Unable, unlock. Suffix. A suffix is a group of letters placed after the root of a verb. For example, the word flavorless consists of the root word flavor combined with the suffix less, which means without. It means having no flavor. A short list of suffixes. Able, able to, having the quality of. Comfortable, taxable. Al, relating to, magical, survival. Comparative, foreigner, astronomer. Est, superlative, soonest, biggest. Full, full of. Beautiful, graceful. Able, forming an adjective. Reversible, terrible. Ing, denoting an action, a material, or a gerund. Walking, loving. Less, without, not affected by. Helpless, mirthless. Ly, forming an adjective. Hourly, manly. Ness, denoting a state or condition. Kindness, dryness. Y, full of, denoting a condition or a diminutive. Sticky, dusty. Un, against, not, opposite. Unable, unlock.